Welcome to my channel. TP-Link Archer C7 Advanced Configuration Guide. 1. Access the admin panel. First thing, get inside the router. Plug in your PC, open a browser, and go to 192.168.0.1 or tplinkwifi.net. Default login is usually admin. Change that password immediately. Don't be lazy here. Security first. 2. Update firmware. Old firmware equals bugs, slow speeds, and security holes. Go to System Tools, Firmware Upgrade. Check TP-Link's site for the latest version. Flash it. Done. This step alone fixes half the random issues people complain about. 3. Set up dual-band Wi-Fi. Archer C7 has 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands. 2.4 is long range but slower. 5 GHz is faster but shorter range. Go to wireless settings. Name them differently, like HomeNet 2.4, HomeNet 5. Makes troubleshooting a ton easier. 4. Strong Wi-Fi security. WPA2 or WPA3 if your devices support it. Skip WEP, it's 2005. Use a solid password, something people won't guess, but you can remember. Bonus. Hide the SSID if you want slightly more stealth. 5. Enable quality of service, COS. COS is a game changer if you stream, game, or have multiple heavy devices. Go to COS greater than COS settings. Turn it on, prioritize devices or apps that matter, gaming consoles, work laptops, streaming boxes. Instant improvement in real-world performance. 6. Set up guest network. You don't want visitors messing with your main network. Enable guest network on both bands. Limit bandwidth if you want. Keeps your primary network cleaner and safer. 7. Static IPs and DHCP tweaks. If you run smart devices, servers, or printers, give them static IPs. Network greater than LAN, DHCP settings. Also, tweak DHCP lease time if your network gets crowded. Helps devices stay connected without random disconnects. 8. Monitor and maintain. Finally, check logs, connected devices, and traffic stats. System Tools, System Log. Set up auto reboot weekly if your network drops randomly. Trust me, a little maintenance prevents headaches. Thanks for watching.